Man, this taco is very delicious. Now, I'm gonna show you the way of the torta. And let me tell you, Mexico is the king of the sandwich. We call them tortas. In Mexico, you would go to these torterias, and they would be serving you this fresh bread full of refried beans, chicken, ham. But my favorite one was chorizo. In my torta de chorizo, I like to mash the black beans with the chorizo itself. Look how beautiful they are. They're full of iron, they're delicious, a lot of nutrients that just go so well with the chorizo and the onions. I'm mashing them with the chorizo. Everything is getting all together. All the flavors of the chorizo are being released to the fat, and they're added into the beans. In Mexico, we love to use crusty bread. Has to be fresh in the inside, but it's all about the crust. That's what you're looking for. Look at this. We want to remove as much dough as we can from inside so we can stuff all that goodness into it. You see? Now, the thing is, I want my sandwich to have a lot of fat into it. I don't want to be rolling some lard into it. This is going to help us to toast the bread before we add the chorizo inside. So now I want to toast my bread. You hear that sound? We're just about to be finished here. This is exactly how I want my bread to be. Now, we're heading to the fun part. Just gonna put it on my plate because it's gonna get messy. I'm gonna fill this sucker to the moon. It's gonna be a very sexy sandwich. This, my friends, I think you guys call it Slappy Joe's. We're gonna call it Slappy Jose. Now the cheese. I like panela cheese. It's like a farmer's cheese. It's a little squeaky, chewy, but it melts very well with the chorizo. And let's not forget our avocado. Now, oh man, this is gonna be a very nice sandwich to eat. Just a forewarning, I apologize in advance for what you're about to see. This is just delicious. Phenomenal. But this is just missing Mexican ketchup. Hot sauce. The creaminess of the avocado, wow. With the cheese, a bit of the chorizo and the beans. I'm telling you, when it comes to street food, nothing beats la torta.